All right, YouTube, if you're watching today, I appreciate you for showing all the love and appreciation. And I'm grateful that I can keep you entertained, man. Today, I'm gonna do a video of a POV of the big beast, as you can see. You go carbon fiber hood, red Brembos. Y'all know the spec on the SVR. But yeah, man, just stay tuned. We're gonna jump in the vehicle, and then I'm gonna get everything set up. And yeah, we're gonna start driving, y'all. So stay tuned. So I just decided to fill it up halfway. As you can see, it's like $40 or so. But let's see what it took us. All right, start her up. Okay, boys, we cooking. It got us almost to full tank. But yeah, Range Rover, you're lacking on Apple CarPlay, dog. So get it together. Cool. All right. Should I crack open the sunroof a little bit? Ooh, she popping. That baby popping. Yeah, she woke. It's golden hour. We feeling good. POV. Make sure it ain't no po-po. All right, drop it in the fourth gear. Smash. I gotta get over. Ooh. See, y'all gotta learn how to drive, dog. I love this truck, my homie. She woke, y'all. I love this truck, dog. My apologies if y'all couldn't see the road that well, but hopefully y'all could. what's got us feeling good. Hey, homie, this truck is wild. Let me stop playing. Them backfires so OC. Hey, if y'all don't know what OC mean, that mean out of control. I really need to chill because this neighborhood is very walkable. We got the kids out. Let me chill. Be respectful. When I tell y'all this truck is insane, well, let me stop saying truck. SUV. I want to say as well, man, I appreciate all the love and support y'all been showing on the other vid. Man, I couldn't be more grateful. I promise I couldn't be more grateful for y'all, man. I'm very, very thankful for everybody that's been liking the videos, been running it up. I want to keep this content going. Of course, I work day to day, so I try and get a consistent I'm trying to get a consistent flow, but it's very difficult. When y'all start doing this YouTube stuff, y'all start to realize you got to be very creative to come up with your own type of video. You know, you don't want to produce the same content everybody else been producing. But yeah, I'm gonna go, let me see if I can pull into here, wrap up this video. Let's see if I can make her pop. I'm gonna see if I can get a good pop for y'all. Pop-it-up. Pop-it-up. I'm gonna go this way. There we go. I know the haters in the comments gonna be saying something about me messing up the transmission or me revving it too high. Man, watch out. If you're watching this video, man, I appreciate you for showing all the love and support. Y'all been rocking with your boy. Man, just keep running up these videos. I'm gonna try and stay consistent. Y'all know, just like everybody else out there in the world, we gotta work day to day to afford these type of things. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. And yeah, I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
SIT no rental, yeah, dogs like them no kennel, key don't mean pencil, I spin the block to the outside side, it's just fundamentals.